Hello everyone. Who would have thought that by simply steaming a tomato, one tomato could sell for 58 yuan? Everyone who's tried it says it's great. Follow along with the video to see how I make it. Prepare 4 washed tomatoes and cut across on each one. Don't cut too deep, just enough to break the skin. Just like this is fine. Next, make a cut at the bottom of the tomato and use a spoon to scoop out the tomato pulp. Put the pulp into a bowl, and be careful not to break the edges of the tomato. In the end, it should look like this. Prepare a plate of fresh prawns and remove the veins and any fishy smell. Peel out the shrimp meat. This way, you get a portion of shrimp meat and a portion of shrimp shells. Then chop the shrimp meat, but not too finely. You want to keep some texture. Once chopped, put it into a large bowl. Prepare an appropriate amount of lean pork and cut it into pieces. Then chop it up as well. After chopping, mix it with the shrimp meat and start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt and an appropriate amount of white pepper powder. Add a little cooking wine to remove any fishy smell. Stir well with chopsticks. Add a little egg white to make the filling more tender. Mix well. Then add a little starch and continue stirring with chopsticks to lock in the moisture and keep the nutrients from being lost. Finally, mix until it reaches this thick, sticky consistency. Then fill the prepared meat mixture into the tomatoes. Try to fill them as much as possible so they look plump and beautiful when finished. Finally, use a spoon to smooth out the tops. Once all are done, place them in a steamer. After the steam comes out, steam for about 20 minutes. Next, add a little oil to the pan. Add some ginger slices and scallions, and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the shrimp shells. Stir fry until fragrant and the shrimp oil is released. Next, pour in an appropriate amount of boiling water, use a bit more water, and simmer for 5 more minutes to extract the fresh flavor from the shrimp shells. Alright, now remove the shrimp shells. Then add the tomato pulp. Add a spoonful of salt. A little sugar to enhance the flavor. And an appropriate amount of white pepper. Stir well, let the tomatoes cook down to release their juice and flavor. Alright, now remove the tomato residue. Then add a little cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup until it becomes slightly viscous. This way, the finished soup will be full of umami flavor. Okay, turn off the heat. Time's up, our steamed tomatoes are ready, take them out. After turning them over, remove the skins. Then evenly pour the prepared sauce over the tomatoes. This way, the tomatoes look even plumper and glossier. Finally, sprinkle on some fragrant chopped scallions. Prepared this way, the tomatoes are vibrant in color, aromatic, flavorful, rich in nutrients, and especially delicious. At the hotel, it's 58 yuan for just 1 serving per person, and everyone who's tried it says it's great. The tomato wraps around a shrimp and meat filling, topped with this fresh, fragrant, sweet and sour sauce. Taking a bite is simply delightful. It's tangy, refreshing, and really whets your appetite. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.